Hi, in this video I will show you how much you can earn by saving $100 into the S&P 500 index fund over a period of 25 years. S&P 500 is a stock market index that's tracking the performance of the 500 largest companies listed on stock exchanges in the United States. It is one of the most commonly followed equity indices, and as of December 31st of 2020, over $5.4 trillion was invested in assets tied to this fund. Companies such as Apple, Microsoft, Tesla, Alphabet, Amazon, Meta, and a whole other huge company is included in this fund. Throughout this video, I've used an interest rate of 10.5% due to the average return of the S&P fund since its startup. Some years have, of course, given a high return and some have low returns. And this also has been accounted for inflation. After invested $100 a month for a whole year with no starting amount, you can see that we have invested a total of $1,200. With a 10.5% interest return, which gives us around $70, we now have an ending balance of $1,270. Going further into 5 years of investing $100 a month, our total contribution is at $6,000. Our 10.5% gives us a total of $1,900 interest over the period of 5 years, and our total ending sum is now at almost $8,000. Our next checkpoint is after 10 years. Almost halfway with our goal of investing into the S&P 500, this is where we can see that our investments pays off. We now have invested $100 for a total of 120 months, setting us at a total contribution of $12,000. Our ending balance is almost twice the size at $21,000, giving us a total interest of $9,265. Now we come to 25 years. Which may be a bit off-putting in terms of long into the future, but investing in index funds or other funds, even the stock market, is usually a long-term strategy. And it also creates a mindset, which we will talk about later in another video. But now let's go to the numbers. Our total contribution is now at $30,000. By having a 10.5 interest rates throughout 300 months, gives us an interest of over $115,000. This sums up to having an ending balance at $145,000 into the S&P 500 index fund. To better display our investments, here's a cake diagram and a graph. And as you can see, our investments take some time before it's skyrocketing. But by the end of 25 years of investing only $100 a month, we have almost 4 times as much interested than invested. And this shows on the cake diagram as well, with a 79 versus 21% of contribution versus interest breakdown. There may be some times where you could invest more than $100 if you have started with other passive income streams, or maybe having more saving from your active income streams. This comes to show that investing over time will gather a large amount of money for you, making you more wealthy in the future, and having more money when the pension comes. So thank you for watching today's video. If you like it, then please subscribe for more content.